Hello everyone, this is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗼𝗨 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to send automated emails to employees as a reminder to complete report, right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will surely improve the productivity and efficiency of your employees, as well as it will help you to manage your work properly. How? Let me tell you. Now suppose that you are running any company and there are many employees under you. Okay, so you have given them different tasks to complete. For example, let's say that you have given them a report to complete, right? So to track the progress of those reports, you have created a spreadsheet here. And in this spreadsheet you have collected the details of the employees and you are mentioning here the statuses of their task completion, right? So you have added the record of the employees and you are mentioning here that which employees work is completed and which employees work is remain incomplete, right? And for those employees whose work and reports are incomplete, you want to send them email reminders on their Gmail accounts, right? Now to get this done guys, you have two ways. One way is that you are going to regularly check this record here that you have filled in a spreadsheet in Google Sheet application and find out which employees is the one whose report is incomplete. Then you will come to Gmail account and manually compile and type a reminder message for that employee and send the email reminder to that employee. But guys, if you have hundreds of employees and you have many more other tasks to do, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy. So we have a better way. What if I tell you that as per the record that you have added here in spreadsheet, which is created in Google Sheets application, a email reminder message get automatically delivered to the employee on any particular day of the week. Let's say on every Monday, a reminder email will be delivered to those employees whose tasks are incomplete. Okay, so guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that according to the record that you have added, an email reminder will get automatically delivered. So now guys, let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Google Sheets and Gmail is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here I have opened my Google Sheet in which I am maintaining the data of my employees. So let's say this is our company ABC Associates and I'm maintaining the data of my employees here like this. Okay, so I have the name of the employees, the email addresses, mobile number, and the task that they have given and the status of report completion, right? So you can see some of our employees completed the report, some of the employees not completed. So I have mentioned the statuses as no, yes, no, yes. Okay. And let me give you the example of this employee, 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝙬, who have given the task of visiting this housing board site and he has not submitted his report yet. So we have sent him an automated email reminding him that he have to submit his report. Okay, so we send the reminder emails any day of the week. Let's say we want to send every Monday the reminding emails to our employees that they have to submit a report. So let me show you what kind of email they will receive. So I'm opening the email ID of this person, 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝙬. This is it. And he has received this email from our site and it is saying, hi 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝙬, you have not completed the report regarding of your housing board visit. Okay, best regards, Ashmita Mandal. This is someone who is responsible to communicate with the employees. And so this is an automated email received in the email account of this person, 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝙬, telling him that he has not completed this report of this task. Okay. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this email here automatically without any manual typing of the email. Every Monday of every week, we want to send these emails like this here, right? So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation and send email reminders to employees telling them anything that you want to tell. Okay. So guys, these are the 4 easy steps by which you can also make this integration and send automated emails to employees as a reminder. Okay. So step 1 is schedule email reminders for employees in Pabbly Connect. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and schedule the email reminders to send to our employees. And step 2 is connect Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. Okay. So now we are going to connect the Google Sheet in which we have collected the data of our employees with Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is collect the employees data from Google Sheets in Pabbly Connect. So after the connection of Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, we are going to transfer the data of our employees from Google Sheets to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 4 is send the reminder emails to employees on a specific day of the week. So finally in step 4, we are going to send the email reminders to our employees on any specific day of the week. So in our case, I am taking the example of Monday. We are going to send the reminder emails on every Monday, right? So now let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free trial account of Pabbly Connect by clicking here on sign up free button. I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. And now from this all apps section, you have to come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here you have to create a workflow like these. So to create a workflow, just click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give any relevant name to a workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as send reminder emails to employees from Google Sheets data. Okay, now click on create here and your workflow will be created, and you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So guys, Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Alright. As in our use case, the trigger would be is to schedule a reminder email for employees, and the action would be is to send the reminder emails to the employees whose report is incomplete and that we have mentioned here in Google Sheet. Okay. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app you have to choose the application as scheduler by Pabbly, this one. Okay, so now it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. Okay, so it is asking how often you want to make this automation work. So from this field I'm going to make it every day, so that every day the workflow will run and see if there is anyone whose report is incomplete in our Google Sheet here, and accordingly the workflow will run and send the email reminders. Right now it is asking for the time on which we want to run this workflow on daily basis. So I have to put the time here in UTC format. Okay, that is universally converted time, or the international standard of the time. So guys, UTC time lags behind Indian standard time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. So let's say if we want to put the time here 9 o'clock in the morning, so you have to put it here like this, 3:30. Okay, so you have to put the time like this. I have subtracted 5 hours and 30 minutes from 9 a.m. in the morning, so it became 3:30. Okay, now click on save here. After that, what we are going to do is to click here on this action window, and from this choose app we are going to choose another function by Pabbly which is called number formatter. Okay, and now in this action event you have to select spreadsheet formulas and then click on connect. So guys, we want to send the messages as I have already shown you in the example in the demo, that we want to send the email reminders on Mondays. Okay, so to get Monday, what we have to do is paste a formula here in this formula field. We have selected spreadsheet formulas. So you will find a formula from this checklist, from this list of formulas that we have. Okay, so this is the formulas we have for a number formatter, and we are going to use this weekday formula. Okay, so copy this format from here and paste it here in Pabbly Connect like this, right? And here I am going to erase this dates here like this, and I am going to put today like this and put another bracket inside like this. Okay, so it will give us, let me show you, I'm clicking on save and send test request, and it is showing the result 3. Okay, so it gave us the count of the days. So guys, today is Tuesday, so it is giving us the number 3 in the result, right? Because it counts the days from Sunday. So Sunday counts for 1, Monday counts for 2, and Tuesday counts for 3, right? So with the help of this, we are going to send the message on any specific day. Let me tell you how. Now I'm going to click on this plus icon, and from this action window, I'm going to choose a filter by Pabbly. And here in this select label field, I'm going to select this label here, this result label which we have in previous tab, right? So when I click here on select label field, it will give me this number formatter option, which was the last tab. So when I click here, it will show me this result label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label from here, make the filter type equals to, and here in this value, we are going to put 2. Okay, because we want to send the messages on Monday. So Monday counts for 2, Sunday 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, and as you can see 3 for Tuesday. So today is 3. Today is Tuesday, that's why it is showing us 3, right? Now when I click here on save and send test request, it will show me the condition is false because today is not Monday. Today is this Tuesday, and here in this filter, when I make result equals to 2, it is showing us the condition is false. But when I put here 3, let me show you, it will show you the condition is true. Okay, so when I put here 3, the condition is true. So this means that when this conditions match true, this result will be equal to 2, which is equal to Monday, then only we are going to send the message. Okay, even if it shows you false here, but when the time came when Monday arrives, this condition will match true and the message will be delivered. Okay, after that, now it is time to apply our second step, which is to connect our Google Sheet in which we have collected the data of our employees with Pabbly Connect. So to do that, click on this plus icon, and from this choose app, we are going to choose the application as Google Sheets. And in this action window, I'm going to select this get rows option, then click on connect. And from this window, select this add new connection option, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, and from this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your Google Sheet application is connected. So select that email ID. And after that, it will ask for the account's access to fetch the information. So click on continue. Okay, so the authorization is successful here and start showing connected. Right, now it is asking select spreadsheet. So you have to select the spreadsheet that you have in your Google Sheets application. So let me show you my Google Sheet. So guys, this is my Google Sheets application, and here you can see I have created all these spreadsheets for different purposes. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which sheet you want to connect here, and our sheet is this one. Let me show you, ABC Associates, this one, in which we have collected the data of our employees like this. Okay. So in Pabbly Connect, when you click here on select spreadsheet field, it will show me the list of all the sheets I have. And here is the spreadsheet ABC Associate that we want to connect. So I have selected the spreadsheet, and this sheet is get automatically selected. You can see in our ABC Associates spreadsheet, we have only one sheet here, report complete reminder sheet. Okay, so it got selected here. Now it is asking for the range of the data that we have in our spreadsheet. So to put the range, what you have to do is to go to your spreadsheet, and from the second row start selecting your data like this. Okay, and then come down here till the last row, and you can see in this name box it is showing this type of code. Copy this and paste it here in this range field like this. So this is how you put the range when you have static data. That means this data is not going to change. But if you are changing this data, if you are adding or subtracting the rows in your spreadsheet, you have to put the range like this. Let me show you. You just have to put a backspace here and let the range be like this. So A2 to E, that means we are telling Pabbly Connect that we have the data from A2, that is column A, row 2 to E. Okay, and we are not providing any endpoint for our rows. So this means if you keep on adding the data will be transferred here automatically in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now when I click here on save and send test request, you will see the data from our spreadsheet will be captured here. But before this, let me toggle this simple response button to off. I'll tell you why we are doing this. Now I'm clicking on save and send test request. And you can see in this response result field, the data is captured here like this. And it is showing the data in this array format. So this is called array format. So by toggling this simple response button to off, we got data in this format. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to apply another function by Pabbly by clicking on this plus icon. And from the section window, now I'm going to apply iterator. Right? Iterator by Pabbly, and here it is asking choose array. So I'm going to choose this array, this one in which we have captured the data in the last step, response result array of data. So what iterator will do, iterator will segregate this type of data into row by row format. Let me show you. So in this choose array field, I'm going to click on this Google Sheets option and I'm selecting this response result array. Now I'm clicking on save and send test request here. And you can see it segregated our data in first row according to row by row format, and it is showing the data of first row only. Okay, you can see the data we have in first row is of 𝗪𝗪𝗃 𝘠 and all these details, right? So what iterator will do, iterator will make the workflow run row by row and till the last row of spreadsheet that we have. Okay, so this is why we have applied this. After that, I'm going to click here on this plus icon, and we want to send the email reminders to those employees only who have not completed their report. Okay, so you can see in this data in iterator, it is showing this report complete label and it is saying here no. So with the help of this label, I'm going to apply a filter to tell Pabbly Connect to send email reminders to only those employees who do not have completed the report. So to do this, click here on this action window, and from this choose app, choose filter. And now in this select label, I'm going to select this label, report complete. Okay, so when I click here, it will show me these options, and here I'm going to click on iterator, and from here I'm going to map this label report complete equal to no. Okay, and here I'm going to make the filter type equals to, and in the value I'm going to put no. Okay, this means we are telling to Pabbly Connect that when the report status equal to no, then only we are going to send the message. So when I click here on save and send test request, you will see it is showing the status is success and the condition is true here. That means that the employee have not completed the report. Okay, so we want to send the message now. Oh, send the email reminder now. So to email him the reminder, click here on this plus icon, and from this choose app, we are going to choose Gmail application. to send the reminder email. And in this action event, click here on send an email, and then click on connect. And from this window, select this add new connection and then click on connect with Gmail. Okay. And from here, choose the email ID by which you want to send the email. Then give the required access to send the mail. Click on continue. And you can see the authorization is successful here and started showing connected. And here it is asking for the recipient's name. So to whom we want to send the message, send the email. So we want to send the email to this person, 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝗪, and here is the name in this iterator step. Okay. So to get this name here, click on this recipient name field, then click on iterator and map the name from here only. Okay. Now it is asking the recipient's email address. So you will find the email address from the same place, from the iterator. This is the email. And here it is asking sender's name. So you can put your name here or the name of anyone who is sending the email. So I'm putting my name here. Okay. And here it is asking sender's email address. So here you have to manually enter the email address of the sender. Let me fill it. So I have filled the sender's email address also. And here in this email subject, we are going to fill the subject. This reply to email address is not compulsory, so I'm leaving it blank here. And in this email subject, I am going to enter the subject as reminder email for completing the report. Okay, completing the report. Okay, so this will be the subject of our email. And in this email content, you can enter the content like a message. So I'm typing the content of the email like this. I'm putting a hello. Then I'm going to map the name of the person. So this is the name. Okay. After that, I want to add another line in my message. So to do this, you have to put a line breaker like this in this angle brackets. You have to type BR. Okay, so that it will add another line in your message. Then here I am typing this. This is to inform you. This is to remind you that. Okay, so I have completed this message and I have put here, this is to remind you that you have not completed the report regarding of your, and here I have mapped the task from this iterator. Okay, and I have put another line break and then regards, then my name. Okay, now when I click here on save and send test request, this message will be delivered as a new email to this employee, which is this 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝗪𝗪. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so it has started showing this kind of response here. And let's check in the in the email ID of this employee. This is here. Let me refresh the okay, and we got a new email here, which is reminder email for completing the report. Okay, and here you can see in this message, hello 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝘼𝗪𝗪. This is to remind you that you have not completed the report regarding of your housing board visit. Regards and my name. Okay, so this is the same message that we have written here. Okay, so connection with Gmail is also working fine and our workflow is also completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we have scheduled the workflow to run every day at 9 o'clock, right? After that, we applied this spreadsheet formula to send the email on a specific day, which is going to be Monday. Okay, so we have applied this weekday formula and it has given us the result for today, which is 3 for Tuesday. And we have applied the filter and I make the filter type equals to 2. So to tell Pabbly Connect that we want to send the message on second day of the week, which is Monday. Okay. So the condition is false here, but it will run on Monday, because when Monday will arrive, this condition will be going to be true. Okay. After that, we connected Google Sheets to get the data of our employees like this. Then we have captured the data in this array format. Then we have applied the iterator to segregate this data row by row. So to make the workflow run row by row. Okay. After that, we applied the filter and tell Pabbly that whenever there is no in this report complete field, then only we are going to send the message. Okay. So the condition met true here. After that, we connected Gmail account of the person to whom we want to send the message, and applied and filled this details as the recipient email address, the sender's name, the sender's email address. Okay, then we type the message here to send in an email, right? After that, when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that we got a new email here like this. Okay, so now you just have to click on save and your workflow is completed. And we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using that immediately. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.